Check-in's normally at 3 o'clock, but it's 12:30. We checked in online. So it's ready already. Yay! We're on the first floor, 7125. All right, we made it to our room. We are on the bottom floor, so first floor here in America. And so we're on the bottom level, room 7125, and it's a touchdown. So there is a giant football outside. So we'll have to look around the whole resort later, but our room is ready. We're inside now. Let's take a peek around. When you first come in, you see a little nook over here with our little Hey Disney, some plugs. You have this is a pull down bed, just like we were at the Art of Animation. We'll show that in just a little bit. Over here, Owen already made some tea, some green tea. We have a beverage cooler down there, ice bucket. We have a TV. We have some drawers underneath here. So this. Okay, yeah, we have a Bible. This is where the safe is, and some extra pillows. I don't see blankets down here, so just extra pillows over here. Why is this drawer a different color? So random. But we have some drawers here, and this is the bed. So there is a phone over here, some light switches, more plugs on this side here. Now this is a sliding door to the restroom area. So we have the sink over here with all the tissues, towels, and ironing board. There's a hair dryer in there. Lots of space to hang stuff or put like your hair supplies or makeup in the morning. Some more supplies over here. You'd think they'd have extra blankets in here, but they don't. I just see extra pillows. Huh. And hangers here. And then you have the restroom area. So toilet, towels. Here's the shower. Same shampoo as Art of Animation. There's a peek at the shower head right there. It is a tub. Also, yeah, tub with a sliding door. So there's that. All right, so overall first impressions. The room is definitely smaller than the Art of Animation. I knew that coming in because Art of Animation was the most expensive value resort because like I said, that it is sometimes just as much as deluxe resorts. So expensive, but it's a family suite, and so you have a lot more space. This is not a family suite. So we're here at All-Star Sports today, and I'm excited to be here. We're going to swim in all the pools. We're going to go around to see what kind of offerings they have here. And we got rained out at the Art of Animation, so we didn't get to do the movie. We didn't get to do the fire pits. So I don't know if they have them here, but we really want to do the fire pits since we didn't get to do them over at Art of Animation. So, lots of things to do today. So glad you're joining us. All right, Owen's going to go ahead and pull down the bed from the table. Is it heavy? Oh, how cute. Huey, Louie, and Dewey inside there. Oh, cute. And then they're sleeping. That's what they're dreaming about, is playing soccer, signing autographs, and playing in the band for All-Star Music. Nice. Yeah, so there you go. 2 beds in this room. Oh, and I just now noticed, yeah, on the chairs are even like the different types of balls that you would play with in sports. So yes, soccer, basketball, tennis, bowling ball. Nice. All right, so we are walking around right now. We are trying to find where the buses are so we can go to Magic Kingdom. Yeah, they have like stands, fake stands. You can't really sit up there. Pool, giant Coca-Cola cup, baseball bats, plenty of chairs, couple umbrellas, but full sun. Goofy over there. Nice. Giant football helmet. This is where we're staying. And touchdown. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to throw some football later.
Is that the lobby? That looks like the lobby.
We're walking down the football field right now to the giant helmets towards that green building, which we believe is a lobby. So, hopefully that's where the buses are. Vicky!
Wait, where the lobby is? Where the
Ooh, look at this play.
what play?
Gotta go in this way. Ooh, brownie sundae, mango tea, burgers, chicken, sandwiches. Mickey pretzels. Oh yeah, desserts. Oh, they have that Oreo cupcake, just like All Stars. They have that brownie that I did not get. I still need to get that. It looks so good. And I know chocolate croissants are gonna be yummy. We are here at the cafeteria area here at All Star Sports, and it's pretty empty right now. Eating a very early dinner. It's like 5, but everything's themed to like sports. We usually eat very late. Chicken as usual and fries, pasta with meatballs, burgers over here, nachos. So messy. I did not film the pool because there's a ton of people over here by the surf pool. All the surfboards. But it was pretty fun. There is no slides or anything like that in the pool. It is just a big pool to swim in. And it was fun. It got to 5 feet. So deeper than Art of Animation. So that was fun. And they had like several beach volleyballs in there that everybody could just play with. So that was really fun too. So we played monkey in the middle and things in the water. So that was really fun. And they have a giant checkers board, just like Art of Animation here. This one is actually bigger. Yeah. But yeah, look, surf's up pool, and this looks like a lifeguard.
Right, we'll be on this side.
Little tower there at the beach. But yeah, over here. Oh, look at that giant basketball hoop. That's really cool. Oh, we'll have to go over there too. Walking around, almost said Art of Animation. That's where we were the other day. This is All Star Sports. So yeah, here's Mickey on the big trophy here. The stand, I guess we could stand up here with him and say that we are the All Star. So yeah, here he is. So many different sections over here. Over here is a whole bunch of basketball courts. Giant basketball court. There's a lot of people over there playing right now. So we'll have to go over there in a little bit. But in this section, oh yeah, see over here, more people playing and having fun over here. So in this section has giant tennis courts, giant tennis rackets over here. And then there's people on the field in front of it with Huey, Dewey, and Louie. So we'll have to walk over there. But there's, again, people having fun everywhere at All Star Sports, being active outside. Kids are playing chess over here. They're competitive, trying to see who's the all-time champion of not chess, checkers. Nadia beat me yesterday, and Brandon beat Owen. So Nadia and Owen are playing now.
Go. So I king, right? Yeah. So I lose a piece. Yeah. But look at this. Oh, oh, oh. Come on.
So this is one of those loudspeakers that you can yell through. They have lots of basketball hoops, basketballs over here all over the building. That's really neat. They have some really large basketball hoops over here too. So that's really neat. And these red things, I want to get a look at it on the other side, but they're whistles. Here's a look at one of the whistles. These are so big. Like, look at that. They're like, there's a little ball inside. They woot. Yeah, so giant. And it says, no climbing. So, yeah, I cannot go in there. Look how giant this is. Giant, tall basketball hoop. It is like a real basketball hoop. That is so much fun.
This is in the real games?
It's not really that high, honey, but it's a real hoop. Like, that's real. Yeah, like if you had like a beach ball or something, you could really play and throw it up there. Yeah. I know, it's pretty cool.
Cookies. Cookies. Started opening it. What cookies?
Over here, you see the Spalding, so that's where you get your tennis balls. Over there, that's the stairs. Also, like I just walked up the lifeguard area, and this section has tennis, so giant tennis rackets, tennis balls over here. Like there's one right here in front of me. We can look out here on the other side. I see the tennis rackets. These are so neat. Yeah. Oh, yeah. A little judge stand over there too. And then you have Huey, Louie, and Dewey over here playing baseball. These are so cute. He's playing ball and then he's throwing it. Over here we have Donald. He's totally playing tennis. There's so many people here. We were sitting over there while the kids were playing chess, and I looked over. I was like, there's like 25 people over there. Like, that's a big group. And then, no. I looked by, there were more like 100, and there's still like 50 sitting there. So I was like, wow, that's a big group of people. And they're all like young kids. No. But look how close we are to All-Star Music. Look, it's just right there. There it is. All-Star Music. Very close. Yeah. We're coming for you later this week. All right. So I think I've already shown this. So with all of the red, white, and blue, and the baseball, and the bats, the Coca-Cola giant cups over there, here's the other pool. We walked by here earlier because we're staying in Touchdown in the football area. But yeah, this is the other pool. There's only 2 pools here at All Star Sports. So let's check it out. Bunny! We've seen so many bunnies. I think this is like the 3rd bunny that we've seen. So cute. I love rabbits. That's beside the food court. Just all kinds of like shadows of characters. I'm not sure what characters are these, but front desk area. Stars. Right. Let's go in here. Oh, they have some popcorn. What? They do have a basketball.
Do you want one?
I like this one. They're kind of flat.
This is a volleyball.
Like it is a volleyball. Yeah. With all the characters signed it too, though. That's cool.
Do you want one so we could actually play it?
$14.99.
Want one?
Well, we brought a football, so I think we'll just use the football.
So
Pin trading.
um,
That one's cute. You just want to wait?
yeah.
Our 2D2 here. King Triton. They have these, I think, at every single resort, not just the All-Stars. Here he is today.
I'm gonna take my own picture.
Yeah, we were just looking at these hats, and the Daisy hat is so cute. But yeah, there's a certain YouTuber that's wearing a Pluto hat. So, yeah, those are super cute. We want the Daisy one.
And when Nala divided the ocean to weaken the people of the sea, your ancestors were disconnected from their home. But you
Good morning from All Star Sports. All right, let's go to breakfast.
A kid's eggs and bacon with chocolate milk. What is this?
This is the pancake bounty platter. So it has a vanilla pancake, bacon, scrambled eggs, tater tots, and then under here, sausage.
Yogurt.
Yogurt with berries. Look at these lights. So we're over here in the little cafeteria area. Yeah, the lights is a football, basketball, and a soccer ball that is super cute. I just now noticed that. This is so cute. Goofy. Oh, the perfect cast. That is adorable. That is cute. I love that touch. Most valuable goof. The goofball. That's hilarious. Like, look at these hats. These are so silly. Like, they're all the characters. Like, you would look so silly with these on in the parks. We had a great time here at Disney's All-Star Sports, swimming in the pools. That's like our favorite thing of all the resorts, is swimming in the pools. So that's what we did again this morning. We swam in the pools after eating some breakfast. And now it's like raining now. So I hear the thunder and we need to make it home before, yeah, it takes a little while to get home. So glad. I'm going to rank this number 2. So All-Stars, Sports number 2, Art of Animation number 1 still so far, but we have more resorts to go to. So stay tuned for the rest of the value resorts here at Disney World and see how we rank them. Thank you so much for watching. And now it's your family time. Bye.